Okay, guys, example number 1. I'm trying to factor 2x squared plus 7x minus 9. So the number I'm trying to find is plus plus 7. Okay? Now, I'm going to factor the front number, 2, and that gives me 2 and 1. It doesn't matter. I can do 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. Okay? But what I don't want to do is flip it. I don't want to do 1 and 2 also. Just one or the other. Okay? I'm going to do 2 and 1. And then I need to factor the back number, and it's minus 9. That means that one of the factors has to be minus and one has to be plus. So I'm going to try, the first thing is negative 1 and 9. But I also need to do 9 and negative 1. Okay? I need to try it in both positions. Okay? It could also be 1 and negative 9. I'll write these in different numbers. In different colors. It could also be 1 and negative 9. And we need to try those in both positions. Okay? It could also be negative 3 and 3. So we need to try those in both positions. Okay? Now I can't change that. I could say it could be 3 and negative 3, but you can see I already have that. Okay? So I don't need to try that since they have the same absolute value. So guys, I've actually got 6 possibilities. This one, this one, this one. Okay, you got the idea. I'm going to get rid of that so it doesn't confuse us. Okay? Alright. Now, I can write these things out. I see I've got 6 possibilities. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And I know it's going to be 2x and 1x. 2x, 1x. Alright, I can write all these things out. That's fine. 2x and 1x. Okay? And then I need to write all my possibilities in. Negative 1, positive 9. Positive 9, negative 1. Positive 1, negative 9. Negative 9, positive 1. Negative 3, positive 3. Positive 3, negative 3. Okay, those are all the possibilities. But remember, I'm going to multiply the outsides right? Multiplying the outsides and the insides. So I'm kind of color coding this for us. Right? Okay. Now, when I multiply the outsides here, I'm going to get 18x. When I multiply the outsides here, I get negative 2x, negative 18x, positive 2x, 6x, and negative 6x. Okay, fine. And then when I multiply the insides, I get negative 1x and positive 9x and positive 1x and negative 9x and, well, I'm falling asleep, Bueller, negative 3x, too bad, stick with me, plus 3x. Now the question is, which one of these gives me 7x? Well, guys, you can see right now, negative 2x plus 9x gives me 7x. So the correct factored form is 2x plus 9 times 1x minus 1. Okay? Now, guys, you can sort of do it in an abbreviated fashion. I can look at it like this. You can see that multiply the outsides, right? Here are the outsides. Each one I'm doing. This is, if I did the outsides here, let me see, I may be able to do it better with a pointer. Okay? 2 times 9 is 18, and 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, so I get negative 17. And then I can do this. Negative 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and positive 9, and that gives me positive 7. Okay? And I can keep going. 2 times negative 9 gives me negative 18, and 1 times 1 gives me 1, so that's negative 17. 2 times 1 gives me 2, and 1 times negative 9 gives me negative 7. 2 times 3 gives me 6, and 1 times negative 3 gives me negative 3, so that's going to be negative 3 here. And I'm going to have to stop, guys. No, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and 3 is positive 3. Good job, guys. See you at the next example.